Welcome to the Generative AI course. This course contains 6 modules designed to give you a complete understanding of generative AI. We will start with the foundations of AI and machine learning. Then move into generative AI concepts, models for text, images, and media, advanced topics, and finally ethics and future directions, including cloud-based architectures. By the end, you'll have both theoretical knowledge and practical insights into building with generative AI. Module 1 builds the foundation. We'll introduce artificial intelligence, explore supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, cover key concepts like preprocessing and loss functions, and study the basics of neural networks including CNNs, RNNs, LSTMs, and transformers. In Module 2, we'll explore generative AI. You'll learn what it is, how it evolved, the difference from traditional AI, its core models like GANs and diffusion models, and its applications across text, images, audio, and video. Module 3 focuses on generative text models. We'll study large language models like GPT, BERT, and Llama, learn prompt engineering basics, fine-tuning techniques, and explore real-world applications like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude. In Module 4, we'll discover generative models for images, video, and audio, from GANs and diffusion models powering tools like Stable Diffusion and DALL-E, to video generation with Sora and music with Suno AI. We'll see applications in design, entertainment, and education. Module 5 covers advanced topics. We'll explore reinforcement learning with human feedback, multimodal generative AI combining text, images, and audio, generative agents and digital twins, AI creativity versus human creativity, and the limitations and risks of generative AI. In Module 6, we'll focus on ethics, safety, and the future of generative AI. We'll discuss issues like bias, misinformation, deepfakes, and copyright. You'll also learn how to design and deploy generative AI architectures on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud. By the end of 6 modules, learners will understand AI and ML fundamentals, master generative models across text, image, audio, and video, apply prompt engineering and fine-tuning, explore advanced multimodal AI, recognize ethical issues and future challenges, design and deploy generative AI architectures using AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud.